We are Soltec Power Holdings, a group in which energy is neither created nor destroyed, only shared. Our strength is the people, with the sun being our motivation and shared purpose for success. The commitment of all our staff, capable of turning challenges into achievements through perseverance, has made us the renewable energy group with the highest growth in Europe. At Soltec Power Holdings, we are experts in solar energy. Our projects, developed by the best team of professionals, generate electricity throughout the world. But none of this would be possible without the talent and experience of our team, which strives to ensure Soltec Power Holdings continues following the dream across borders and powering thousands of homes. For all these reasons, we never lose sight of the main cause why we are what we are: the people. Our secret: customer focus, innovation, equality, solvency, transparency. We're proud of our team. Now it's your time to be part of our group, because we are the sun, and the sun is the future. Dare to shine with us. Soltec Power Holdings, making tracks to a brighter future.